Learn Gujarati from English, travel and daily past phrases with.
હું ગઈકાલે પહોંચ્યો હતો.
Welcome to the Very Tired Travel Club. Hey, you are in the right place if you want to learn Gujarati with useful real-life phrases and a little comedy. Today, you will travel, text friends, fall asleep dramatically, and maybe miss a train in 2 languages. Picture this. You finally arrive after a long trip, your hair looks like it fought a small storm, and you proudly announce.
હું ગઈકાલે પહોંચ્યો હતો.
That means, I arrived yesterday. Then you check on your friend like a responsible hero with a phone and ask.
તમે સારી રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યા?
Did you get home safely? Later, everyone is so exhausted that boom, pillows win the argument.
અમે ઝડપથી ઊંઘી ગયા.
We fell asleep quickly. Somewhere else, one mysterious man is off having a European adventure.
તે બર્લિન ગયો.
He went to Berlin. And of course, because life loves schedules, somebody asks.
શું તમે સમયસર હતા?
Were you on time? 5 phrases, 1 mini adventure, 0 boring grammar lectures in a dusty cave. Your 5 survival sentences. Let's meet the stars of today's chapter 1 by 1. Say them out loud with confidence, even if your cat judges your accent. Sentence 1.
હું ગઈકાલે પહોંચ્યો હતો.
I arrived yesterday. Sentence 2.
તમે સારી રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યા?
Did you get home safely? Sentence 3.
અમે ઝડપથી ઊંઘી ગયા.
We fell asleep quickly. Sentence 4.
તે બર્લિન ગયો.
He went to Berlin. Sentence 5.
શું તમે સમયસર હતા?
Were you on time? A tiny story with big jet lag. Now you will hear all the phrases inside one silly little story. Just relax and follow the scene. Yesterday evening, I walked in with a suitcase, a snack, and the emotional dignity of a potato. I told everyone.
હું ગઈકાલે પહોંચ્યો હતો.
My aunt nodded like this was excellent breaking news from the past. Then she looked at my cousin and asked.
શું તમે સમયસર હતા?
Because apparently in this family, punctuality is a competitive sport. Meanwhile, my friend had left late, so I sent a message.
તમે સારી રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યા?
He replied yes, and also said our other friend had disappeared on a grand adventure.
તે બર્લિન ગયો.
At that point, after food, travel, and family questions.
અમે ઝડપથી ઊંઘી ગયા.
The end. No dragons, just sleep. Phrase spotlight. Let's zoom in and make each line easier to remember. Small pieces can make big sentences feel friendly. In.
હું ગઈકાલે પહોંચ્યો હતો.
Think of.
હું.
As I.
ગઈકાલે.
As yesterday, and.
પહોંચ્યો હતો.
As arrived. In.
તમે સારી રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યા?
Hear the caring tone.
તમે.
Is you.
સારી રીતે.
Means safely or properly.
ઘરે.
Means home, and.
પહોંચ્યા.
Means reached. In.
અમે ઝડપથી ઊંઘી ગયા. અમે.
Is we.
ઝડપથી.
As quickly, and.
ઊંઘી ગયા.
Is fell asleep. In.
તે બર્લિન ગયો. એ.
Is he.
બર્લિન.
Is Berlin, and.
ગયો.
Means went. In.
શું તમે સમયસર હતા? શું.
Starts the question.
તમે.
Is you.
સમયસર.
Means on time, and.
હતા.
Means were. Mini dialogue at the door. You listen, imagine the scene, and repeat the Gujarati parts. Give each line a little personality. A. When did you arrive? B.
હું ગઈકાલે પહોંચ્યો હતો.
A. Good. And your friend? Did he message you? B. Yes, I asked.
તમે સારી રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યા?
A. Nice. Were you all exhausted? B. Absolutely.
અમે ઝડપથી ઊંઘી ગયા.
A. And where is Rohan now? B.
તે બર્લિન ગયો.
A. One last question.
શું તમે સમયસર હતા?
B. Emotionally? No. Technically? Maybe. Repeat after me drill. Now it is your turn. Listen, pause, and repeat like a confident actor in a very low-budget travel movie. Say, I arrived yesterday.
હું ગઈકાલે પહોંચ્યો હતો.
Say, did you get home safely?
તમે સારી રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યા?
Say, we fell asleep quickly.
અમે ઝડપથી ઊંઘી ગયા.
Say, he went to Berlin.
તે બર્લિન ગયો.
Say, were you on time?
શું તમે સમયસર હતા?
Quick memory tricks. Here come a few playful hooks to help these phrases stick in your brain. Your brain likes weird things, so let's give it weird things. 4.
હું ગઈકાલે પહોંચ્યો હતો.
Imagine dragging a suitcase through the door and shouting yesterday's news as if it is live television. 4.
તમે સારી રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યા?
Picture a glowing phone asking a caring question while wearing tiny glasses. 4.
અમે ઝડપથી ઊંઘી ગયા.
Imagine pillows with superhero powers knocking everyone into sleep in 3 seconds. 4.
તે બર્લિન ગયો.
See a train ticket to Berlin taped dramatically to someone's forehead. 4.
શું તમે સમયસર હતા?
Imagine a giant clock interviewing people at the door like a strict game show host. Little quiz, no panic. Let's test your ears and memory. No stress, if you miss one, the language police will remain on holiday. How do you say, I arrived yesterday?
હું ગઈકાલે પહોંચ્યો હતો.
How do you ask, did you get home safely?
તમે સારી રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યા?
How do you say, we fell asleep quickly?
અમે ઝડપથી ઊંઘી ગયા.
How do you say, he went to Berlin?
તે બર્લિન ગયો.
How do you ask, were you on time?
શું તમે સમયસર હતા?
Challenge round. Now mix the phrases with context. This helps you move from memorizing to actually using them. Your friend asks when you got there. You answer.
હું ગઈકાલે પહોંચ્યો હતો.
Someone got home late after a party. You text.
તમે સારી રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યા?
After a long day, your group touches the bed and instantly sleeps. You say.
અમે ઝડપથી ઊંઘી ગયા.
You are telling someone where he traveled. You say.
તે બર્લિન ગયો.
You are checking whether people were punctual. You ask.
શું તમે સમયસર હતા?
Friendly conclusion. You did great today. Seriously, your Gujarati is already sounding more alive and useful. Today you practiced 5 practical Gujarati phrases for travel, care, sleep, movement, and punctuality.
હું ગઈકાલે પહોંચ્યો હતો. તમે સારી રીતે ઘરે પહોંચ્યા? અમે ઝડપથી ઊંઘી ગયા. તે બર્લિન ગયો. શું તમે સમયસર હતા?
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and let your memory do its sneaky magic. You are doing well, so keep going.